Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you guys a Poundland and Poundworld haul. So I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got recently. Let's start off with, yes, from Poundworld I picked up some, like, this was a bargain, right? It's a drawing board, and yeah, see that? It's a drawing board. It comes with a pen. It comes with like what are those things called? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, this one. These ones. We have a love heart. It comes with a circle one and a star one. They're missing somewhere. I had to give to kids. You can't bring this indoors, right, after shopping and not have kids like, can I have it? Can I have it? So yeah, it's missing. It's around the house somewhere. Guess how much I got this for? £1.50. £1.50. I got my little toddler one, and I also got my daughter one. I went to the checkout and I was like, is that seriously £1.50? This as well was reduced. It was £5. It got reduced to £2.50. I've been seeing it for weeks and weeks in there. I wasn't paying attention, but I was like, £2.50. What? Basically, I got this walkie-talkie. I got 2 walkie-talkies for £2.50. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? £2.50. What?
Hi, Bobby.
Next, I also got my daughter. She had this last time I showed in a haul. Trolls. It's a nail varnish. You get a ring, and also you get stickers to do when you're doing your nails. So yeah, she was looking around the store, couldn't find anything to get. She couldn't find anything, and then she was like, oh my goodness, I want this. From Poundworld, some A4 multi-purpose paper, chunky markers for the kids to draw. Yeah, this I got from Poundland. Ah, yes, this, the PJ Masks Hero Yo-Yo. I got this for my son last time. He bought it, and then the little one ended up breaking it. My son was like, can I get another yo-yo? I went to the store, literally all the yo-yos were gone. It's so amazing how the weekend people just come out, rush to the shops, and then when you go on a weekday, it's like, where's everything gone? So yeah, I went back to get him another yo-yo. I literally went looking around the store, and that was the only yo-yo that I found. So from now on, I need to grab my bargains during the week. The weekends, there is no chance it's gonna be there the following week. I also got the UHU, the all-purpose adjective. I saw this from another YouTuber. She uses it a lot in her DIY videos. I was like, oh my goodness, let me get this. Okay then. When I grabbed it, I was like, oh! Seriously, it was like recommended. And this you can find in Poundland. Next, in Poundland, I got this. And basically, this is a beer can, something to do with beer can holder or something like that. There's a whole bunch of them in my Poundland store. It's been there for months, literally months. Some of them are damaged. This one is actually damaged over here. See, yeah, I'll show you. See, it's damaged, but like, yes, super glue will fix that. But yeah, I want to do a DIY on this. Yeah, my hand's tired. I need to rest it over here. But I want to DIY this. I'll bring you a DIY video very soon, so watch out for that. Someone's banging a toy in the background. These stuff I got from Poundworld, and they are these like round like storage boxes. You can get a box version of it. I thought I could DIY it, and also yesterday it came to me, I can DIY it and give it to my daughter to use as a jewelry box, because she's broken her Tinkerbell jewelry box that I got for her from Primark. I'm not gonna give her glass jewelry boxes and stuff. And I thought this one's like cardboard. I'm gonna DIY it. I'm gonna bring a video obviously to you guys, and yeah, so super excited about this. I've got some ideas in mind, but yeah, I've got some ideas in mind, and then I feel like I'll give her 1, and then 2 I think I'm gonna use to store like sewing stuff, like sewing needles and yeah, that kind of stuff. And then lastly in Pound World are these, and they are called Scatter Crystals. I got it £1 each. You get a lot in a pack. You can see there's a lot in a pack. And also if you look closely, some are like really small, and then up here you get like these bigger ones. Yeah, you can see that big one right there. I'm so excited. Next couple of weeks I've got a ton of DIYs. There's like at least five DIY stuff in my mind. At least 5. Yeah, it is 5. Oh, so that was it guys for my Poundland and Pound World haul. So obviously like every month on the 1st I do a Poundland haul, but this month I decided to do Pound World because it's a combination of stuff. If I was just to do both separate hauls, it wouldn't really be a lot. It'd be like a 1 minute or 2 minute video, seriously. So I thought I'd combine the stuff. Next week is again a combination of Poundland and Pound World hauls. For 5 days I am doing hauls, and basically I'm doing hauls where I'm challenging myself in each video. So basically with £5 I've got to challenge myself to buy really essential stuff for around the home with just £5. So yeah, Monday to Friday there's going to be a £5 challenge haul. So seriously, come back on Monday, subscribe, hit that bell notification button below to come and see, so that you can come and see the video. I picked up some really good stuff. Super excited to show you guys, and I really enjoyed the £5 challenge because it made me like use my money very wisely, and also it meant that you were taking even more time in the store to look around and discovering things that you didn't see before. So yeah, I really enjoyed it, and I'm gonna so next I'm gonna do it next week for 5 days, and I think I'm gonna do another one pretty soon. And also it's inspired even more videos that I've got ideas in my head to do. So take care of yourselves guys. I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.